Online viewers from Vietnam, welcome to the Taiwan and Vietnam Together for a Healthy Life online showcase as part of the Taiwan Expo and Vietnam online event. The COVID-19 pandemic has continued to affect both our countries, even as we work hard to maintain our strengths after a year of success. Advancing healthcare service is a way to return to a new normal. With that in mind, the Taiwan External Trade Development Council has organized today's event to highlight 11 companies from Taiwan's healthcare industry with excellent medical services, smart care solution, healthy nutrition products, and more. The first presentation is by Professor Dr. Cheng Director of the International Medical Center of the Taipei Veterans General Hospital. He will share the hospital's international healthcare service and why it's the top choice for you.
Good day, everyone. I am Professor Cheng Lin, the Director of the International Medical Services Center of Taipei Veterans General Hospital. I would like to walk you through several reasons highlighting why Taipei Veterans General Hospital is the top choice of medical service for many patients, both local and overseas. The hospital is the center of comprehensive precision medicine, especially for oncology treatments. We have various treatments for different specific types of cancers, such as heavy iron therapy for prostate, bone, and soft tissue, head and neck, lung, liver cancers, and boron neutron capture therapy for brain tumors, as well as yttrium-90 for hepatocellular carcinoma, and liver transplantation for liver cirrhosis and hepatocellular carcinoma, as well as osteosarcoma treatment and biological reconstruction, and immunotherapy for many cancers such as lung cancer, head and neck cancers. First of all, our hospital has a heavy iron treatment center, which is the most updated facility for radiotherapy in the world. It is the first one and the only one such center in Southeastern Asia. This table lists the different cancer types that can be treated at our center with the specific number of treatments and the entire duration. For example, for intracranial tumors, we need 16 times of treatment in 4 weeks. For head and neck cancer, 16 times in 4 weeks. For lung cancer, 1 to 4 times within only 1 week. Hepatocellular carcinoma, for 2 to 4 times within 1 week. Kidney cancer, renal cell carcinoma, with 12 times in 3 weeks. Pancreatic prostate cancers, also 12 times in 3 weeks. And postoperative recurrent rectal cancer, needing 16 times in 4 weeks. Sarcoma, 16 times in 4 weeks. And gynecological cancers, needing 20 times within 5 weeks. The yttrium-90 is suggested for patients with too many or too large tumors or have poor response to embolization. For patients with tumors larger than 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters, the treatment response rates are 73.4% and 69.5% respectively. Under the assistance of boron neutron capture therapy, the size of glioblastoma tumors will be controlled or will even shrink to unmeasurable conditions by utilizing Tsinghua Open Pool Reactor. Taipei Veterans General Hospital and Tsinghua University have successfully completed more than 100 cases. Our hospital also focuses on developing the best treatment for patients suffering from musculoskeletal tumors. More than 40% patients with musculoskeletal tumors in Taiwan were treated in Taipei Veteran General Hospital. Our original technology of biological reconstruction fill real bone to bone defects by autografts, which would help patients regenerate bone and cause biological healing. Our hospital pediatric surgery team, led by Professor Liu Junshu, successfully achieved the records of the youngest, only 11 months and 25 days respectively, and the lightest, 6.7 kilogram and 3.8 kilogram respectively, liver transplantation in Vietnam and Taiwan respectively. So last year, we did a very successful liver transplantation for Vietnamese baby in our hospital during COVID-19 pandemic. A 9-month-old little girl with liver failure due to biliary atresia in Vietnam. The baby's mother, an anchorwoman of Vietnam National Broadcasting Company, sent an email to Professor Liu for surgical treatment on May 29th last year, and the Ministry of Health and Welfare approved the application, and the baby with her family arrived in Taiwan and admission to ICU on July 20 last year, and then the liver transplantation with mother as the living donor on July 26, and the post-operative care in respiratory and pediatric intensive care units until August 14, and then the baby was successfully transferred to ordinary ward on August 14. Then he was successfully discharged on September 3rd, and then received outpatient visits and checkup on September 10th. And then we had the press conference on September 14 last year. So you can see in this figure, in this photo, we had a very good, successful celebration for the rebirth of this lovely baby. So in conclusion, Taipei Veteran General Hospital can help the dreams from Vietnam come true in Taiwan. Thank you for your attention.
The next presentation is from Dr. Li Jian, Director of the International Medical Center of the National Cheng University Hospital. He will demonstrate the specialty healthcare service of the hospital and what they can do for you.
Hi everybody, good to see you here. I'm Max, Dr. Li Jian, the Director of International Medical Center in National Cheng University Hospital. National Cheng University Hospital, NCKUH, is situated in Tainan City, the southern part of Taiwan. We have a branch hospital in central Taiwan, around 60 miles away from Tainan. Since NCKUH is a university hospital, the history can be traced back to 1971, when the school was first established as an engineering college. In 1956, the school system was transformed into a university and had a name Cheng. Cheng means the city. Our hospital was officially opened to the public in 1988. It's about 5 years after we had the College of Medical School. There are around 5,000 staff in our hospital, and over 60% are doctors and nurses. We have around 1,200 beds, and 70% are acute beds. Here you can see the map of NCK Medical Center. We have two main buildings connected with the Sky Bridge, and the building next in patient one is the College of Medicine. As the only national university-affiliated hospital in the southern Taiwan, NCKUH is charged with the goal of improving the standard of medical service in southern Taiwan and reducing the discrepancy in medical service between northern and southern Taiwan, with the core value of life, love, excellence, and creativity. The hospital not only just provide educational and research opportunities to the medical personnel, but also provide comprehensive and heartwarming medical service to the public. We provide not only high-quality emergency, inpatient, outpatient, health examination service, but also the tertiary care for emergent, critical, complicated, and rare disease. Now I'm talking about the highlights of the hospital. We not only have age-cutting medical devices such as the Biotegy Service System, hybrid OR, PET-CAT scan, 256 multi-detector CT scan at Central. There are multiple disciplinary teams to provide comprehensive care, such as transplantation team, assisted reproductive technology, stroke center, diabetes prevention center, Alzheimer's disease prevention center at Central. We also devote ourselves into the trend field like precision medicine, gene medicine, e-health, cell therapy, modern fetal medicine, nanomedicine, and AI for high quality of medical care and health promotion. What I want to mention especially here is the transplantation. In our hospital, we have our organ bank, and we can do the ABO in competitive transplantation and split liver transplantation. Furthermore, we have the best survival rate on heart transplant in Taiwan. On percutaneous intervention, we met a world record on extremely low birth weight baby, which is only 478 grams in 2017 without any brain insult. As we know, Taiwan has officially been an aged society in 2018. But early in 1999, we had the first elderly-friendly ward in Taiwan. And now we are building also the first geriatric building hospital in Taiwan, and it will be done in 2022. As a medical center, NCKUH upholds social responsibility. We conducted international collaboration program early from 2008, and now we have the link with Kenya, India, Vietnam, Indonesia, and some other Southeast Asian nations by co-hosting international conference, joint research, and personnel exchange. Moreover, NCKU has 3 overseas research centers in Vietnam, Malaysia, and Thailand to be in charge of industrial academia collaboration. The one in Vietnam is set in University of Medicine and Pharmacy at Ho Chi Minh City in 2017. We believe the links are helpful in strengthening and the partnership and benefit both sides. After all, thanks for your listening. Welcome to Thailand and hope to see you in Taiwan near future.
Coming up next, we have Dr. Ping Xuan Lu, Department of the Medical Imaging from Landseed International Hospital, to talk about how to manage your pain as one of the many services the hospital provides.
Thanks for the invitation from Taipei. It is an honor to be here with you today. The topic of this section is about how to understand and manage your pain. I am Dr. Pingshan Liu, a doctor who specializes in precise image guiding pain management interventions. After receiving a full training of pain treatment with the assistance of medical images, I can find the pain source which getting on your nerve, and eventually make all kind of pain go away. First of all, why should we feel pain? Pain is the warning of an actual or potential damage to your body tissue. So when we feel pain, we should consider seeking the help from health professionals in order to avoid further injury. Tolerate or ignore your pain is not the best policy. Sometimes we hesitate to visit the doctors because we are not ready for a big surgery. However, the practice of pain management includes not only surgery, but also the following steps. 1. A detailed physical and mental assessment. 2. Evaluate the benefit and risk of surgery. And 3. Life quality consideration. Before jumping into a big surgery such as arthroplasty or spine surgery, we have various alternative treatment choices such as temporary or permanent blocking the pain nerve, embolization of the inflammation vessels which cause your pain, and the hottest technique recently, that is healing, or you can call it regenerative treatment. For example, PRP is the most well-known agent which can make the broken tissue heal. The first technique is blocking the pain nerve. According to your condition, we will choose long-lasting anesthesia agent and put a needle under image guidance. Most commonly, we can use ultrasound guidance, which is fast, convenient, and have good vision for joints such as shoulder and knee. If the target nerve is not well visualized on the ultrasound, we also have CT guidance, which can help physicians to put the injection needle deeper and safer. Another choice is to shock your nerve and make them permanently numb. By RF electron needles, depends on the time and the heat we choose, we can achieve different levels of pain denervation. This technique can apply on almost any kind of pain, such as shoulder and neck pain, degenerative knee pain, tennis and golfer's elbow, and even in back pain. Next, we can talk about TEN, a novel procedure which invented by a Japanese doctor Yuji Okuno. The background theory is that when the pain persists too long, there will be abnormal inflammation vessels and tiny pain nerves which cannot be controlled by ourselves. This is so-called a bad cascade of pain. So decreasing the focal inflammation process at the tendon point. This is the treatment can reverse the bad cascade and make patient back to normal life. The most commonly used area is frozen shoulder, degenerative knee or finger pain, as well as plantar fasciitis. Just like coronary artery exams, there will only be a small puncture wound at wrist or your ankle. So this is one kind of minimal invasive surgery. Especially in finger pain, TEN is very effective and currently there's no other treatment can replace it. All the procedure can be completed at clinic and there is no need for hospitalization. That means you can receive this normal treatment in the morning and go back to your hotel and have a nice dream. The last treatment, but not the least one, is regenerative treatment. It is the most worldwide known treatment of pain, and the concept is making your joint and your spine young again. According to the medical images, we locate the most damaged part of your ligament or cartilage and inject different agents to stimulate the healing process. We provide high-quality PRP, which means platelet-rich plasma. And most excitingly, we also have the latest and the most effective agent, AminoFix, which is one kind of collagen-rich solution created with placenta tissue. All these choices are very helpful and can apply to different kinds of pain and situation. So before ending this section, we can review the 3 treatment choices through this cell skeleton. First, pen nerve block can apply to all kinds of pain. Second, embolization of the inflammation vessels, which known as TEN, is very effective in limb tenderness such as frozen shoulder, OH finger pain, and plantar fasciitis. Third, regenerative agents can be injected in almost every joint, including the spine, and make them young again. And once again, the practice of pain management includes 1. A detailed physical and mental assessment. 2. Evaluate the benefit and risk of surgery. 3. Life quality consideration. Different kind of image can provide different information of your tissue, and a clear medical image is very crucial for treatment planning. With the help of my pain management, hope every one of you can have a happy and young skeleton again. In the end, I want to talk about the telemedicine of Landseed International Hospital. We have more than 600 cases executed in 2020, which is the most in Taiwan. The first telemedicine implementation plan approved by Health Authority in Northern Taiwan in October 2020. The first regional teaching hospital to join the teleconsultation platform of Taiwan Overseas Community in May 2021. Our Model teleconsultation app will be launched in 2021. The pricing will be about USD 200 per 30 minutes, that is equivalent to Taiwan dollars 6,000 per 30 minutes. Thanks again for kind patience and attention. I am Dr. Pingshen Liu. Hope to see you soon online or in my clinic. Thank you.
Our next presenter, Professor Xu Weifang, is the founder of Biotegy Corporation. He will talk about how their companies can help design and develop medical devices for minimal invasive surgery.
I'm Professor Xu Weifang, and today I'd like to introduce our company and our services. We are doing the design and the development for minimally invasive surgery biomaterials. Maybe I will introduce a little bit about myself. I'm a professor at the Chemical Engineering and Biotechnology at the Taipei Tech University, right, which is a very old history university focusing on the application development and applied research. Okay, and I've been working as a director of incubation centers, and my expertise is biomaterials, medical devices, and tissue engineering. So 5 years ago, I got this idea. We found a lot of professors has good technology, and we do have a lot of small and medium enterprises who are interested in developing more products. But there exists some gap between the academics and the industry. So I'm trying to build up a new business model to accelerate the novel medical device development. Right. So that's a pain point, and that's the problem Biotegy wants to solve. Okay. We do know in Taiwan, we do have a lot of good technologies in terms of materials, in terms of chemicals, in terms of electronics. But for developing medical devices, there are a lot of regulatory issues you also need to take care. So we need an integrator and someone to help the whole process more smoothly, right? So that's a job of Biotegy. So I just summarize a little bit about some achievement we have made in these years. So we are focusing on some innovative biomaterials, and especially for the minimal invasive surgery biomaterials. And the one very special example is our Bob sutures. Okay, we got this idea from our market channel friends, okay, they want to develop these devices because at that time there are no licensed products in Taiwan. So we got this job. We connect the efforts from the university and also from the GMP factory, and then within 2 years, we achieved the research development and also the mass production, and we get the medical license in Taiwan. And we are also now apply the US FDA and the Europe approval. So that kind of rapid development is the core ability we can provide. Okay, and here you can see we also have several technology in our portfolio, including the ultrasound therapeutic devices and the breast implant injector and so on. Okay, so here are some licensed products we have. The first one in the left hand is the Bob sutures, which we got the first license in Taiwan. And we are going to develop the second generation of our products. And we hope to get one license each year for the next generations of Bob sutures, which can be used for the minimal invasive surgery and also for the cosmetic medicine for facelifting and other applications. And we also have this novel SurgeJet bone grafts. And we, not only the medical device, we also have some cell therapy strategies for cartilage repair, as you can see in the right side. And also, as I mentioned, breast implant injector, we got a license, and we also work with Dr. Berman in Beverly Hills in the United States to do the commercialization process for a very novel pocket protector to deal with the capsular contracture for breast implant, right? And we did a lot of technology commercialization for B2B, okay? And from 2020, we also try to do some good products to our customers, all right? The first one is our skincare products. We have this new brand name, Puriposh, and we applied all native local plants in Taiwan and hope to provide more people to enjoy the outcomes of our research. So we are willing to collaborate with doctors, collaborate with market channels for good product development. And we'd like to share the profits, and we also share the risk. Okay, I think based on our help, we can develop more innovative products soon and better. Thank you very much.
A reliable and technology solution can help both doctors and patients. Ms. Landseed is here to share how the company's BRITEMED Technology makes comprehensive products and solutions for medical care.
Hello everyone, I'm Leslie from BRITEMED. Today I would like to give you a brief introduction of our company. BRITEMED is an ISO 13485 and GMP certified medical manufacturer and a solution provider. We provide vital sign device, medical monitor, and the e-medical card solution. Our mission is to develop reliable and technology-driven solutions that make people's lives better. Here is our milestone. We established in 2009, and we received ISO 13485 certificate in 2011, GMP certificate in 2017. Our ECG product received Taiwan Excellence Award in 2019. The strengths. We have a strong in-house R&D team, which means we can develop our product all by ourselves. We also have cutting-edge technology. such as biosignal processing technology. We are also good at video signal imaging and medical electronic design. We also do the IoT system integrations. We have quality efficient production. Our cell production line allows better flexibility and shorter response time, perfect for the high-mix medical device production. We provide marketing and after-sales support for our distribution partner to help them do the product registration, product training, promote and marketing, and help them dealing with the product issue and R&A. Now I would like to introduce our product and solution. We have 4 product lines, ECG, medical monitor, computer medical card, and medical IoT devices. The first one is our portable 12-lead ECG. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for the doctor visit and home medical care service. The quality 12-lead waveform can be real-time displayed. The ECG report can be saved a digital file to share by email for instant consultation. It can also be printed in journal A4 paper for saving cost of thermal paper. The APIs are ready for quick system integration. Next product is our 27-inch medical monitor. It has 700 nits brightness for the image clarity. The HDMI and the 3G SDI interface allow connection with high resolution and advanced surgical system. The seamless front panel provides easy disinfection advantage. Then is the 21-inch endoscope monitor. The compact 21-inch size is perfect for the CRT monitor replacement. The analog interface can be connected with some traditional endoscopy systems. We also have medical monitor with screen function. This kind of model can be applied for the human-machine interface or control terminal of surgical system or surgical robot. It allows operation with latex gloves. The DICOM and the gamma compliance satisfy multi-modality viewing for surgical applications. Next product line is our computer medical card, including telehealth card, medication card, and the documentation card. All of them can be integrated with medical card PC. The ABS working table and the special call team enhance easy cleaning and easy maintenance. The telehealth card is recently launched. It integrates with our medical card, battery medical card PC, and the PZ camera. The built-in front-facing camera of battery panel PC is also ready for the cost-effective teleconferencing applications. Our ECG can be integrated with this telehealth card for telecardiology application. Our medical all-in-one product line has panel PC with battery for medical card application and the fanless panel PC for the point-of-care application. Next, I would like to share some successful stories. The first one is the ECG for telemedicine kit in India. The compact size, easy organized patient cable, and the Android API make our partner choose our ECG to be one of the devices for their mobile clinic system. The second case is the Home Medical Care Service in Taiwan. The Taiwan Home Medical Care Association chose our ECG to do the doctor visit for bedridden patients because of the portability and the report sharing capability for instant consultation. For the cases of medical monitor, our 21-inch monitor is integrated with gastrointestinal endoscopy system. For its compatible analog inputs, the adjustable color setting for precise imaging. Our 27-inch monitor is applied to operating room for its good color saturation and the easy to disinfect enclosure for the best infection control in hospital. Our computer medical card are also be applied to the oral service in hospitals of Taiwan and in some Southeast Asia countries. At the last of the presentation, I would like to say BRITEMED can be your integration partner. We can help you realize your product concept to a marketable product with our design service. We can also provide you the contract manufacturing service. You can also be BRITEMED distribution partner, which you can get the full marketing and sales control from us, sales support from us. If you are interested in BRITEMED, you can visit us or contact us via this channel. Thank you for listening today.
The next presentation is brought to you by Ms. Winnie Ko from Insight Medical Solutions. She will share the company's new medical imaging assisted diagnosis by wired magnetic assisted capsule endoscope.
Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce you a novel medical device, and our company Insight Medical Solutions specialized endoscopy. Okay, so have you ever had a bad experience for the traditional GI tract examination before? Okay, now I can introduce you a new medical device and new idea about it. So as for the first generation of the capsule-less endoscopy, is highly improved on its examination process. However, it is not on control. To see in this clinical unmet need, our company dedicated to develop the second generation. It is controllable by the linear, and this material is made of the Kevlar fiber, which is high strength. And also we have the magnetic provider is the MFN to control the capsule-like endoscope. So let's see how the product's composition. First is we have the main machine, and also the connector between the machine and the endoscope is the dongle. Then we have the magnetic provider is the MFN. And we have the monitor to see the overall screenshot and screen record. Okay, let's see how to operate in the actual division. So the physician can use the MFM, which is the magnetic provider, to control it backward and forward. And even they can combine two gestures together, so it's very user-friendly for the physician. And the actual video is the monitor, and our system can provide the physician very detailed information and from esophagus, stomach, and even duodenum. So the doctor can use the endoscopy and then to control it to every position they want to check the lesion. And we are very honored to say the endoscopy system is launched to the Taiwan market in 2019, and we dedicate to popularize it from hospital to clinics. And in Zhongshan Hospital has our endoscopy center. Just you can see the pictures just here. Let's see how to process the examination from the patient side. The patient just swallow the endoscope by the bottled water. It's very easily to swallowing, and then the doctor and the patient can have easily communication between each other during the examination process. And here is our certificate that we got approved from the TFDA restoration and GMP for the manufacturing qualification. And also, it's very honored to announce that we got the CE certificate in this April. Only the regulatory compliance, and as a technology-based company, we also take the IP property into our strategy from US, EU, China, and Taiwan as well. During the very beginning of the developed process, we take into the clinical trial to test the safety and efficacy of the products. And not only in the very beginning, we also consider the post-market surveillance clinical trial. So in the beginning of this year, then we are very happy to cooperate with the authoritative hospital, the Taiwan National Hospital, to conduct the post-market surveillance. And during the clinical results, the physician is successfully to publish our data to the journal, and more clinical data is under reviewing. Let me read 3 solutions that we would like to emphasize on. First is the safe, comforts, and rapport. So the first one is the safe. Our system provides a very accurate data and real-time data to the physician to look into the lesion's position. And for the personnel, the medical personnel, it can highly improve the process during use the second generation capsulized endoscope, because it highly decreases the possibility to avoid the aerosol infection, especially in the COVID-19 pandemic era. From the patient side, it is only the one-time use, so there's no cross-infection concerns, and this is painless and no anesthesia required. So for the comfort part, for patient side, it is they can swallow naturally and no pain is occurred. So it is no anesthesia required, then, which means there's no family accompany required, and they can come back to their normal life just after the examination. And from the physician side, it's very user-friendly. They can just control the MFN naturally, and then there's for other things, this is no routine sterilization process required. So they can save a lot of time, which means it's also very time efficiency for them. And third one is the report. The system can provide a real-time image and result to physician to the overall examination. And for the patient side, it's very easily to communicate for them to the doctor. And most important is this system is mobile, so it's very easily to carry on to the optional room if the patient needs the examination. This brings me to the end of the presentation, and thank you for your time.
With each new health crisis, we need new technology to help us fight back. Ms. Julia Chang, International Sales Manager from Taihao Medical Inc., will showcase the company's specialty in designing AI screening of breast in ultrasound.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day. I'm honored to have this opportunity to introduce Taihao Medical to you. I am Julia Cheng. I am working in sales division of Taihao. Taihao Medical Company Inc. is an artificial company designing and developing medical software. I go from Taihao. Empower clinicians with the best possible solution to improve diagnosis accuracy, provide health care at a low cost, and to enable clinicians and the patient to achieve better outcome. Currently, we provide solutions for both handheld and ultrasound breast. Among various organs, why we choose breast? Because breast cancer is the most common cancer around the world. Every 15 seconds, a woman in the world is diagnosed with breast cancer. In Taiwan, 7 women die of breast cancer every day. Various tools such as the mammography, ultrasound, MRI. Why we choose ultrasound? Because Asian women have dense glandular breast tissue, which lower the sensitivity of mammography for cancer detection. My picture told you we have information. Because this information showing the every country to create AI solution and application. Actually, AI application have deeply in our life, even the medical field. Currently, basic screening solution have the mammography, handheld ultrasound, and the automatic breast ultrasound. You can see the mammography. The scanning is standardized. The radiation painful, so pregnant women is not suitable for mammography, and it is poor sensitivity in dense breast. When we see the handheld ultrasound, it's depending the sonography experience to make sure the standard scanning process. And the automatic breast is very standard because only the 3 positions to check. But it is very expensive. It's showing the America and the European country because their women most of have the fatty breast. But it is still in United States 38 states have a dumping breast dense or notification low. It means the dense breast is higher risky. You can see the 4 billion year for biopsy in the United States mammograph, but false positive. Showing this breast construction because the A and B is fatty breast, B and D is dense breast. You can easy to find if using the mammograph to test the fatty breast because the mammograph is transparent to see. So fatty breast is easier to check in the region. But for the extremely dense picture D, if using the mammo, nothing can see. Must be using the ultrasound. This picture showing the A by mammo test and the B and the C by ABAS. So you can see the A. The legend is 10 o'clock position, but not so clear. B and the C using by ABAS is very solely sure. This is solely legend and typical for fibrilloma. Now we can check our ultrasound solution. One is a smart system and other one is a BR fuel, but all of them for ultrasound machine. The smart system is for handheld ultrasound. For solution no limited to the brand. So it's very compatible existing handheld. Standard scanning process, scanning quality assurance. Why we can say it's standard? Later we will show you the one video. And we can show the real-time suspicion in the diagnosis assistant. Race LASIK. Race is a cancer level. The rapid reporting system. The BR fuel solution is for ABAS, automatic breast ultrasound, integrate with computer aided detection, 3D manipulation, marker annotation, race LASIK, the customized reporting template. Also, of course, the diagnosis report. All of our solutions have the FDA 510K certificate. We make the compare sheet to showing the mammograph, handheld ultrasound, automatic breast ultrasound, and our AI solution. You can see the green color. Using the dense breast, operating time, user experience, operating experience, cost, and the image. You can find out the AI solution is best choice. Showing this video, let you know how we can make sure the standard quality. You can see right now, we find out the suspicion legend. The purple color is the legend. Also showing the position, legend position. Going scanning, we're showing the scanning coverage rate. So the sonograph, doesn't matter they have how many years experience, they will know the scanning coverage rate meet 100% completed scanning or not. So you can find the purple color, the legend showing the distance and the from the nipple and the clock position. So it's very convenient for sonograph to make freeze by ultrasound machine. This is application on ABUS machine. We download the image from ABUS ultrasound into our CAD server, and we make the detection and the diagnosis. Upload the result to PACE or HIS in hospital. We also apply the many patents. You can see the China, American, and the Taiwan. Actually, this is not so easier because the ultrasound machine create many kind of the image, and the deep learning machine learning have to IRB testing. So we also very proud of we have such kind of the pattern. A good solution from Taihao. We invite 8 doctors. They have the different working experience, like the radiology, sonograph, and the breast surgery. You can see different experience working time. And the baseline is they don't using our AI solution yet. After using, we use the BRUSCAD. You can find out their performance be improved. 5% sensitivity, 6% specificity. Most important things is reading time be saving faster, 25 to 30%. For your reference, ultrasound machine create the image about the 800. If clinicians spend a lot of time to one by one checking, it maybe have to spend 1.5 hours. If using the AI solution, it can be just a few seconds can be get the result. Above is my presentation. If you have any question, please visit our website to get more information or contact with me by julia@taihaomed.com. Thanks for your time and waiting for your further contact. Thank you.
The next presenter is Ms. Meredith Poe of Biozyme Biotechnology about how their companies use plant essence to create products that can bring pure happiness.
Everyone, my name is Meredith. I will be introducing our company Biozyme Biotechnology to you. We devote ourselves to microbiome nutrition to provide effective, healthy, and natural products for consumers. Biozyme is founded in 1981. We are also the first legal enzyme company in Taiwan. Our factory has a land size of 30,000 square meters, which is located in a low polluted area so that the fruits and vegetables can arrive within 24 hours. Biozyme is Taiwan's first fermentation liquid brand. We ranked first in the enzyme category by Common Health magazine with the Trust Brand Survey for many years. We have professional R&D team who undergo long-term academic research for our fermentation liquid, proving that our product have function of preventing chronic disease, anti-cancer, and also immunity regulation. This is an overview of our factory located in Taoyuan. We own the largest professional fermentation factory in Asia, which possesses an annual production of 3,000 tons and storage capacity of 9,000 tons. Our factory is certified by ISO, HACCP, HALA, SNQ, and also TQF. Biozyme's products are all fermented by our exclusive process MFS. MFS stands for Microbial Fermented System. It uses 12 different strains of probiotics for 540 days to deeply extract the nutrients from fruits and vegetables. In order to promote high-quality products all around the world, we also provide OEM services. These are the dosage forms that we can produce. We can produce liquid in sachet, liquid in bottles, powder form, and also concentrated paste dosage. These are the patents we received for our products and functional ingredients we develop. Our patents are mainly about the function of our product and the structure of our fermented liquid. These patents are registered in Taiwan, China, and also in Japan. Let me elaborate more examples of our patents in the next page. This patent is about the structure of our ingredient, which can retain its activity under high temperature and also long storage time. Most of the enzyme will lose their activity in environment higher than 60 degrees Celsius, but our enzyme can maintain its activity until 100 degrees Celsius. This patent is about the function of our fermented liquid. During human clinical trials, we found out that after using our fermented liquid for 4 weeks, it can help us absorb nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, GSH, and also CoQ10 from food up to 75%. Lastly, I would like to share about the sales support of our company. We provide product designing service as we have professional R&D team and designers to help clients develop their dream products that meet market needs with theoretical convincing selling points. Our nutrition also provides product training for our products and also OEM clients' products. We also provide professional speech upon nutrition knowledge and our factory inspection. This is the end of my introduction. Feel free to contact me through WhatsApp or WeChat. Together, let's show the beauty of enzymes to everyone. Hope to see you soon.
Coming up next, Mr. Danny Lee from HighQ Marine Biotech will talk about the company's low molecular fucoidan products and how that can improve your life.
Hi, everyone. This is Danny Lee, represent HighQ Marine Biotech Limited in Taiwan. It's my pleasure to present our company and also our products. Our product, it is mainly low molecular weight fucoidan. This is a low molecular weight fucoidan. HighQ stands for high quality and services. Our company is founded in 1998. We are focusing on marine biotechnology. Our major business is providing low molecular weight fucoidan. Its application is in healthcare, supplement, and also beauty skincare products. Our product focusing on health and beauty raw material supply and also our own brand of HighQ health supplement and beauty product sales. We also export to many countries such as we export to China, Hong Kong, and mainly Southeast Asia, and also USA and Korea. We also export to new country like European country and also develop to other possibility like Middle East. We work with a professional research team. We have a research team which is joint cooperation with government, with the medical doctor and PhD in the medical research and scientific studies. So fucoidan is meaning is marine sulfuric polysaccharide, which is a sticky constitute, which is one of the major daily necessary component for the human body, and commonly found in the cell wall of the brown seaweed. So our specialty is mainly focusing on the development of fucoidan, and this is application in health and beauty products. Our research team have studied a lot of scientific research. We have been published so far for the last 10 years is more than 50 publication journal. This is our Taiwan Biotech Center and the facility, which is located in Pingdong. This is the Biotechnology Center. You can see we have 3 raw material products. All raw material products are mainly fucoidan, and also with scientific study and also with human clinical trial as well. The first one, the name is called Olefico, which is a raw material with HALA certified, which is the health ingredients as a no molecular weight fucoidan. And the second one And it is called focal baton, which is a baton formula, which is include the extract of brown seaweed and also blend with a proprietary oligofucoidan, which is the low molecular weight fucoidan, and this is a very special one. We also use this as our own brand name product supplement. The third one, the raw material, is using for skin care and cosmetic product. This is good for formulation, which is called Focal Skin. You can see this is our fucoidan product in our HighQ own brand name. We have the logo like the HighQ Health, HighQ Packs, and HighQ Beauty. You can see this is a family product in our HighQ own brand, which is called Focal HighQ. And also this is oligofucoidan. We use our active ingredients, which is our manufacturing products in raw material, and also we use this application in our own brand name health supplement product. We have many awards, like start from the 2009, we have the Taiwan Scientific Technology and Agriculture Enterprise Award, which is the gold medal award. Is with a very good products that we have developed since 2009. And also on the same year, we have the Taiwan Superior Brand Award, which represents this is a very good brand name product in Taiwan. And also you can see we have our own National Safety and Quality Award with the oligofucoidan, and also we have the new Taipei City Excellence Enterprise and Healthcare Biotech Industry and Corporate Social Responsibility Award as well. On 2013, it's our honor to win the Taipei Biotechnology Winner Award as well. This is a very good award that represents the whole of Taiwan country. Our research team co-work with PhD and also the medical doctor and hospital group. You can see more than 20 hospital and university are working with us. We have a cooperation program in scientific study. We have published 50 international scientific publications already since 2010. So we keep going with more than 9 human clinical trials right now, and also with many publications is ongoing, about 10 for the next 2 or 3 years. HighQ oligofucoidan, the benefits is very lateral. It's from the brown seaweed. This carry many antioxidant and antiviral, anti-inflammation, and immunomodulating effects. It is sustainable source of brown seaweed, and you know that is the Lemurian japonica that is particularly you can find in the Northeast Ocean and also in Taiwan as well, which is rich in natural nutrition and very strong biological activities. Our HighQ quality is guaranteed. We have the certificate of ISO 2020 and also HACCP, HALA certified and GMP certified. We have the certificate with the FDA in Taiwan, and also have the SNQ, National and Safety Quality Standard. And also we have the qualification certified by the SGS. We have the testing report of each batch. So this is our guaranteed quality. And also we have the scientific text of the safety in the GLP lab as well in Taiwan. A proven human clinical study in hospital as well. Why HighQ oligofucoidan? Mainly because this is a health supplement, so people believe in science. So we have worked with the PhD and medical professionals, and we have worked with the mechanism proven with IRB approval human clinical study, and those scientific study can be proven, and you can search on the international publication journal. And we are also recommended by the PhD, the pharmacists, and also the nutritionists, and also the medical professional, like the Institute of Taiwan for Quality Development. This is our product launched in Amazon since last December at 2020. We have 4 products launched in Amazon USA. This is the number one for cotton in Taiwan. So we have been selling that in Taiwan for more than 12 years. First product, as we have mentioned, is the very major sales product in Taiwan, and also we export to many countries, like the HighQ oligofucoidan. We have the brand name in USA registered as Focal HighQ. And this is a doctor recommended fucoidan with extra strength immune health support. Second product will be introduced you later. Next slide, please. This is the second product called HighQ oligofucoidan fucospirulina tablet. It is a all-in-one multi-benefit with extract with immune and intestinal health support. It is good for whole family at all ages. The third slide is the basic combination of 4 algae and also the seaweed extract, like the oligofucoidan, our major product, Coviera, and also the spirulina as well. And also the red algae, this is good for the skin with vitamin E. So this is the all-in-one health benefits. The third product is called HighQ Balance Glucose Capsule, which is branded with our proprietary oligofucoidan and also the seaweed extract with the sustainable source of Lamina japonica. Is good for blood sugar support. This is the combination of a few active ingredients like oligofucoidan and also the Lamina japonica extract, and also with beta-mannan extract. It is good for blood sugar control, and also with another brand name active ingredients as well. You can see this a very common mixture, so you can see a very good product to control blood sugar and also with your heart and liver as well. The fourth one, because in Taiwan there's a lot of problem in kidney, so we have developed many products, but one product like this one is Ochilic capsule. This is very special formula. We have studied with scientific support data. It is good for the kidney and also with the liver, so we can strengthen the people kidney support. Like people can do a lot of sport. Like this one can strengthen your liver and kidney. So this is a quite good product. So we recommend in this part. So this is the combination of a few active ingredients. You can see we have the extra L-carnitine as well. This is the very good product. It is good for fitness. If you do sport, it is also good for energy as well. So if you have any question, please contact me, Danny Lee, the sales manager of HighQ Marine Biotech International Limited in Taiwan. You can email me or telephone me. Thank you very much.
Next up, we have Mr. Frank Tom from OnKick Biotechnology. He shares a video about the OnKick Quantum Biotechnology and their cloud-based health management system. Please take a look.
I can finally stop drinking Chinese medicine, and my menstrual pain and constipation are relieved. After using OnKick Quantum Biotech series for months, 35-year-old Sally excitedly shared that she can get rid of discomfort. ODM Biotech is a professional team built of Chinese doctors, medical equipment vendors, and healthcare professionals. Over the course of thousands of hours research and development, and proven by the world's unique scientific meridian instrument, it balances the 12 meridians and easily wakes your self-healing abilities. ODM extracts biomessages from Chinese medicines and then uses nanoparticle coupling technology to install energy into glass beads and rings. When drinking water or wearing the rings in your daily life, you will be wirelessly filled with energy to reach the best conditioning of your body. It's not only easy to use on a daily basis, but also possesses a super high value. ODM helps your body to maintain balance through its health management system. ODM the most pure and primitive energy from nature, sincerely guarding the health for you and your family.
Lastly, Mr. Peter Liu, Overseas Sales Executive of Wellbloom Biotech Corporation, will share the company's one-stop ODM and OEM service for healthy products.
Hello, this is Peter from Wellbloom. Wellbloom is a company based in Taiwan, and we've established in 1999, responsible for OEM and ODM service for the health supplement. So let's just briefly talk about our history. In 2007, our first Wellbloom manufacturing plant established. We obtained the ISO 9001, ISO 22000, and HACCP, both for food safety management and also the quality assurance. In 2009, one of our products, Monascus Q10 capsule, honored with health supplements by the Department of Health. So this product, we not only do the animal research, but also we do the clinical trial for the human beings that proves we can lower the cholesterol for 20% in just 3 weeks. So in 2011, a big moment of us, we launched our fresh jelly. It is a brand new dosage form, and we're also the first one in Taiwan to manufacture this kind of dosage form. I think we'll introduce it deeply later. And also during 2012 to 2018, we get some certificate and also the award include NSF GMP, and also we have our HALA production line, so we can manufacture HALA products for our clients if they need. In 2019 and 2020, we also have our actual products, our brand products. We have the award from the Mount Selection, and also our fresh jelly got a company patent that it can effectively retain active ingredients for over 90%. So these are some of our certificates from the global. Kindly take a look. Thank you. So let me just introduce our different dosage forms. These are all the dosage forms we can do from our factory. Like the fresh jelly I just mentioned, we also can make drink, powder, shake pouch, paste, and the traditional capsule and tablets, of course. So let's just introduce our most popular dosage form, fresh jelly. So for fresh, it's actually the acronym of 5 words. It's functional, of course, right? We make it just, it tastes like jelly, but it's a functional jelly, not just a snack. And also relish. It's very, it's not like the medicine outside. It can be your daily snack, just like I said. It tastes like a snack, but it has a function. And also E for effective, because it's a lot of people might think that it's a snack, it's jelly, it won't be functional, but it's not only functional but also effective. That is the special material of this water-soluble ingredients outside of our jelly. That is, we can absorb it effectively and very easy. And also, as for slim, a lot of people might think that this kind of jelly is that a burden for human beings, but it's actually like 10 grams, 10 to 15 cows for a 15 grams jelly. And also the last one, handy. A lot of people might think, oh, capsules, tablets, we need to have it with water, and also like powder, we have to mix it with water. It's very inconvenient. But for this, we can just take it slightly because it's just 15 grams, and just rip it, and you can have it directly. So let's talk about our one-stop service. Our one-stop service, 6 steps right here. For marketing, we do marketing research for our clients to see what they are suitable for in the markets, what they want to do for the products in the market. And also the second one, after we talk about the product concept, we discuss with our clients, we have our own formulation for each client. Until now, we've designed over 30,000 formulas. And number 3, sourcing. Sourcing, it's we have our own raw material company that is called Nguyen. So no need to worry about our raw material source. And also the number 4, production, right? And number 5, training, because a lot of our clients might be some new markets, and they're just stepping to this new market, the health supplements market. So they might don't know how to sell their products and don't know maybe like what's the ingredients of their products. So we will have a product proposal for them and also tell them how to sell their products. And number 6, registration, because every country, they have their own regulations. So we will based on the regulation in that country and to design their own formulas. And also if they need some certificates like HALA certificates for their products, we can help them to apply. So let's talk about some of our popular series that we can manufacture. So first one, big markets like skin elasticity series and also our skin whitening series for the women. And also we can do weight control series. A lot of people might think that weight control it's actually pretty complicated because it might be there's like different ways that you might gain your weight. One of that is you lower your metabolism due to your age, and also some of them just their physics is just easy to get to gain weight. So we have our different formulas for different types of clients. And also why we put like 2 photos of girls right here, it's because for the immune regulating series and also the eye protecting series, a lot of people a lot of our clients like to do as a child form, because the target audience be their child, but also we can do for the adults, of course. The cholesterol 3 high control series, brain care, joint protection, it's very popular for elders. And the stress relief series, like in Singapore, we have a lot of clients that's like to do the stress relief series. It can help you sleep well, due to we have a lot of stress than before, due not only just work but also some pressure from your life. So the products I just mentioned, it's all customized from the raw materials, the ingredients, to our finished products, and also the flavor, texture, and the dosage form. We can do all customized. So if you are interested, Wellbloom is waiting for you. Thank you.
And that's it for today's program. Thank you for joining us. If you wish to learn more, you can visit the Taiwan Expo in Vietnam online website and search for Taiwan Healthcare Pavilion, or contact HighTrust's local office in Ho Chi Minh City for more information. To learn the latest news on healthcare and other industries in Taiwan, you can like, share, and subscribe to the HighTrust channel on YouTube. Thank you again for watching.